Have you ever found yourself wondering what YouTube automation is? Well, it's essentially a process that leverages software or services to simplify and automate tasks on YouTube. It's like having an invisible assistant working behind the scenes, taking care of the nitty-gritty, so content creators can pour their energy into what truly matters, crafting high-quality content. Now that you have a basic understanding of what YouTube automation is, we'll dive into the step-by-step process. YouTube automation may seem complicated, but it's quite straightforward once you understand the steps involved. Let's dive into the process and break it down into manageable steps. The first part of the process involves setting up your automation software. There are numerous options available, each with its unique features and benefits. Some popular choices include TubeBuddy and Vidicue. These platforms offer a variety of tools that can help you automate your YouTube channel. It's important to do your research and choose the software that best suits your needs. Once you've selected your software, the next step is deciding which tasks you want to automate. This will largely depend on your channel's needs and the nature of your content. Tasks that can be automated may include video uploading, scheduling, and comment moderation. Uploading and scheduling videos in advance can save you a significant amount of time, especially if you have a consistent content schedule. Automating comment moderation can also be a lifesaver, allowing you to filter out spam or inappropriate comments without having to sift through them manually. The next step is scheduling your tasks. Depending on your chosen software, you'll have the ability to set specific times for your tasks to be carried out. For example, you may want to schedule your videos to be uploaded at peak viewing times to maximize your audience reach. Or perhaps you'd prefer to schedule your comment moderation for first thing in the morning so you can start your day with a clean slate. The final step in the process is monitoring your results. Even with automation, it's crucial to keep an eye on your channel's performance. This will help you identify any issues or inefficiencies and adjust your automation settings accordingly. Most automation software will provide analytics and reporting tools to help you with this. As you can see, the process of setting up YouTube automation is quite simple once you understand the steps involved. With the right tools and a bit of planning, you can streamline your workflow, save time, and focus on creating great content. Remember, automation is a tool to assist you, not replace you. So keep your creative juices flowing and let automation handle the rest. You might be wondering, why should you consider YouTube automation? Well, let's delve into the myriad of benefits that come with it. First off, YouTube automation significantly ramps up efficiency. Imagine being able to schedule your video uploads, comments, and even replies to your audience. This not only ensures consistency in posting schedules, but also fosters improved audience engagement. But that's not all. Automation gifts you with the invaluable asset of time. Time that you, as a content creator, can redirect towards crafting engaging content. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and automation is your ticket to achieving just that. Consider this, a well-oiled machine that takes care of the nitty-gritty so you can concentrate on the big picture, creating quality content that resonates with your viewers. In conclusion, YouTube automation is a powerful tool that can greatly enhance the efficiency and growth of your YouTube channel. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to YouTube automation. We've journeyed through its definition, where we learned it's all about streamlining your content creation and management. We then delved into the step-by-step process of setting it up, with each step designed to make your YouTube journey smoother. And let's not forget the benefits: improved workflow, channel growth, and more time for creativity. With YouTube automation, you can streamline your workflow, improve your channel's growth, and spend more time creating the content that your audience loves. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.